Most people get this wrong when choosing a prepaid card. They think every prepaid card works the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some cards quietly drain your money with hidden fees, while others can actually help you manage cash better. So where does the Netspend Prepaid card stand in 2026? Is it worth using, or should you avoid it completely? In this video, I'll break down exactly how Netspend works, the real pros and cons, the fees you need to watch out for, and who this card is actually best for. And stay until the end, because one small mistake with this card can cost you way more than most users expect. So first, what is Netspend? Netspend is a prepaid debit card service. You load money onto the card, then spend it like a normal debit card. It's popular with people who don't want a traditional bank account, or who have trouble getting approved for one. The setup is simple. John signs up online, gets the card in the mail, loads money through direct deposit, bank transfer or retail stores, and starts using it immediately. No credit check is usually required. That's one reason many people like it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Netspend offers early direct deposit in some cases. That means users may get paid up to 2 days early. For someone living paycheck to paycheck, that feature alone can be helpful. But here's the problem. Fees are where many users get frustrated. Depending on your plan, you could pay monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal fees, reload fees, and inactivity fees. This is where most people fail. They sign up without understanding the pricing structure. For example, Alex only uses the card occasionally. If he forgets about inactivity charges or keeps withdrawing cash from out-of-network ATMs, those small fees start adding up fast. On the other hand, someone using direct deposit regularly might avoid some of those charges entirely. Another feature people ask about is the optional savings account and overdraft protection. Netspend does offer these features for eligible users. But don't expect the same experience as a full online bank like Chime or Sophie. Netspend is more basic and focused on prepaid spending. In a minute, I'll tell you who should actually avoid this card completely. But first, let's talk security. Netspend includes fraud protection, account alerts, and FDIC insurance through partner banks. That gives users some peace of mind compared to carrying cash. Now, who is this card best for? It works best for people who need a simple spending card, want direct deposit access, or can't qualify for traditional banking. But if you want low fees, advanced banking tools, or high savings rates, there are probably better options in 2026. So here's the bottom line. Netspend is legit, easy to use, and accessible. But the fees can become a serious downside if you're not careful. Always read the fee schedule before signing up. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your experience using Netspend in 2026.